Hey there! Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to use HubSpot CRM step by step. Now, if you're new to HubSpot or even to CRMs in general, here's a quick breakdown. A CRM or customer relationship management system is a tool that helps you store and manage contacts, track leads and sales, organize conversations, and ultimately build stronger relationships with customers all in one place. HubSpot CRM is one of the most popular options out there, and for good reason. It's free to start with, easy to use, and packed with features. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the core areas: adding contacts, managing leads, using the dashboard, sending emails, and more, so you can feel confident using HubSpot for your business or team. So first, you have to go to the site, which is HubSpot.com. So this is what the site looks like. To begin, we'll click Get Started Free. As you can see, it's 100% free, no credit card needed. Okay, so to create your free account, you've got a couple of sign-in options here. You can continue with Google, sign up with your Microsoft account, or sign up with Apple. So let's go ahead and type in an email address. All right, so once you're signed in, HubSpot asks a quick onboarding question, which is, have you used software to manage or engage with customers before? Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to select yes. Why? Well, this option gives us access to more features right away and helps us explore the full dashboard, which is exactly what we want for this walkthrough. But don't worry, if you're new to this kind of tool, we'll still walk you through everything step by step, no prior experience needed. Right, so let's hit yes and move on. Now, HubSpot will ask you, do you know which problems you want to solve with HubSpot? So we're going to click yes because we actually want to manage customer relationships and track our sales pipeline, so we do know what problems we'd like to solve. Next, you're being asked, what industry are you in? So you can see that there are lots of different options here. So we're just going to go with marketing and advertising. Next, you need to choose what best describes your role. Let's go with manager. Now you need to type in your company name. So just ensure that you type it in. Just going to quickly add that. Next, HubSpot needs to know how many people work at your company. So it could be just you, 2 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 25, 26 to 50, and the rest of them. Okay, so it all depends on how many people work at your company. For this tutorial, let's go with 2 to 5. Great, now all you need to do is add your company's website and then create your account. Now we've added a website, so let's create our account. Now HubSpot will ask you what you'd like to focus on first. There are a few options here, but we're going to go with grow and manage sales pipeline, because sales pipeline management is one of the core features of any CRM, especially for businesses looking to streamline their marketing and sales processes. Now, HubSpot will ask if you're using any of these tools like Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Meet, HubSpot for WordPress, Pipedrive, and the rest. While these tools are really helpful for integration, we're going to skip this step and explore the apps later. So you can always come back and add the apps you'd like to use. For this tutorial, let's just carry on. Next, HubSpot will ask if you'd like to add some contacts to see the CRM in action. But for this tutorial, we're just going to use the sample contacts. Next, you're being asked to add teammates. But if you don't need to add teammates, you can come here and then skip this and do it later. To continue, we'll click Get Started. So once you click Get Started, you'll be taken to the Deal Stages screen, which is what you're seeing here. This is where HubSpot helps you manage and track your sales pipeline more effectively. At the top, you see various stages like introductory meeting, campaign assessment, strategy proposal, strategy presentation, and objection handling. HubSpot uses these stages to help you track where each deal is in your pipeline, so you know exactly where to focus your efforts. So once you click Continue, a right side menu is going to pop up. This gives you several options to explore as part of your HubSpot CRM setup. This menu is designed to guide you through key features and help you get the most out of the platform. So now let's select Finish Setup. Click here and carry on. So once you click Finish Setup, you're going to be taken to the user guides. So here we're on the sales guide. So this is just a step-by-step manual that helps you understand how to use the HubSpot sales tools. All right, now we're back at the dashboard. So these are the essential tools on this left-hand menu here. Now it's time to add contacts. So we're going to go ahead and add contacts. So we'll go to our CRM and click on contacts. So here's where all of your people live, whether they're leads, prospects, or customers. You can view them in a list, filter them by different properties, or search for anyone quickly. So this is what your contact section looks like. All right, so here you can see a bunch of views: open opportunities, need follow-up, pitch in progress. So these are preset views and they help you to sort your contacts based on their status. Yeah. Okay, next down here, you can see like a snapshot of your contacts. So this just gives you a snapshot of your contacts. So these are the sample contacts, they're the ones here. So up here on the right, you can see import. So this is a super handy tool if you already have a list of contacts somewhere else, like a CSV file or another platform. So instead of manually adding each contact one by one, you can quickly bring in all your contacts into HubSpot with just a few clicks. So you can see help me get started if you need like a guided process, or if you'd like to do it on your own, you can choose here. So that's how you import your contacts. Then if you want to create a contact, you just click here. Your first name and your last name will be displayed here, but I've changed it to the contact I want to add. All right, so let's go with create your contact. All right, so these are things you'll be able to do: log into activity with a person, add notes and create tasks for yourself and teammates, choose or create properties to store the information you need. So let's carry on. So here you've got your contact information. So you need to choose the one that is most important for your business. Is it their phone number, the person who's responsible for them, last contacted, life cycle stage, their lead status? So it all depends on which is best for your business. So let's carry on. All right, so here you can find more information about your contact. Here you can edit this. And then this also shows the last activity associated with this contact. Yeah, so that's how you add a contact or create a contact. Next, we're going to add a company. So to do that, we go to our CRM on our left menu and go to companies. Now you can see that you can add the company name, the company owner. So this is when this company was created on HubSpot. So that's going to be recorded here. So you just go to create company. So you can either go with help me get started or I'll set up myself. So let's go with this one. You're going to have to add a company domain name and a company name. So I'm just going to fill out these details and then proceed. Yeah, and that's how you create a company. So now you can see that the company's been added. Alright, so now we're in the deal section, and what you're looking at here is the pipeline. Yeah, so this is the pipeline. Now let's create a deal. Come here, click create deal, then amount, close date. So I'm just going to type in all these details and create. So once you're done entering the details, you click create. And we've successfully created a deal. Alright, so here's the deal we just created. And as you can see, it's sitting right here in our pipeline. Now this pipeline is like a visual journey for the deal, from the very first stage to the final outcome. Right now we're in the introductory meeting stage, but as the deal progresses, we can simply drag and drop the deal into the next stage, campaign assessment stage. Then if it progresses to the next one, you just simply drag and drop, and yeah, that's how it keeps going until the deal is finalized. Yeah, so that's how the pipeline works. So that's how you create a contact, company, and how you use the pipeline. So if you'd like to use the other tools here, you can come to marketing. Here you've got emails if you want to send emails. Yeah, so you can send personalized emails to connect to your audience and grow revenue. So here you can select a template and just go with it. Yeah, so that's a quick walkthrough of how to use HubSpot CRM. It's clean, simple, and helps you stay totally on top of your sales process. Thank you very much for watching.